Okay, so we are going to be solving a absolute value inequality, and the equation that we're using is the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than 7, and the first thing we're going to want to do is set up two equations. So our first equation will be 2x minus 3 is greater than 7, and our second equation will be 2x minus 3 is less than negative 7. Notice how we change the signs. And so let's solve the first equation. We'll add 3 to each side of the equation. We end up with 2x is greater than 10. Divide each side of the equation by 2, and we end up with x is greater than 5. And we'll go over here and solve this equation, once again adding 3 to each side, ending up with 2x is less than negative 4, dividing each side by 2, resulting in x is less than negative 2. And so we're going to want to write our final answer in interval notation, and in order to do that, I like to draw out a number line for a visual reference. So we'll say 0, negative 2, 5. And because these are either x is greater than or x is less than, not x is greater than or equal to or x is less than or equal to, we know that it's going to be an OR equation, and that we're going to have parentheses because the circles are going to be open. So for example, at x is less than negative 2, we'll have an open circle. Just draw that in black. And it's going to be everything less than negative 2. And then we'll have 5, and it's everything that is greater than 5. So on our graph here, our final answer will look like this. It'll be a parentheses negative infinity to negative 2, parentheses, and because this is an OR equation, we'll have u, then parentheses 5 to positive infinity. And this is an OR because there is no intersection, no overlapping in our graph. And so this is our final answer in interval notation.